are on our way to go pick up the Evo and the Cappuccino. Pop's truck going through a thunderstorm in Mobile, Alabama. Say hey to the YouTube people. Shooting flames. It's still shooting flames. Got my pops and the father-in-law gassing up. He didn't even take my credit card yet. What's up, Mr. Jarrett?
You getting gas?
Oh, he doesn't need gas right now. We can get something a little bit. You want anything from inside?
What?
You want anything from inside?
Yeah, if you want to stop and eat, right there or something.
I'm
or
good.
You want to wait? I'm good till we get to the interstate too.
Yeah, I'm good till we get to the interstate. Cadillac Cowboy. We're about to lose Jerry.
I don't think so. There he is.
Almost to the cars. About another 3.5 hours.
Sereda. The craziest part was that he was only a cook. That's right, this Soviet war hero who would go on to destroy tanks and successfully fight off countless Nazi soldiers during World War II started out as a cook in the Red Army. Ivan was drafted into the 91st Tank Regiment in 1939, just after Nazi Germany launched their invasion into Poland.
Jacksonville, Florida. Cadillac Cowboy on the way to port.
Let's put on down, block everything. Yeah, they should have money ordering here.
Hope so. If not, we're probably not getting these cars today.
Right. Yeah. Dang. All kind of sailboats.
Pops loves the sailboats.
Oh yeah.
Cadillac Cowboy, a fan of them sailboats.
Wow.
You know the cars. You shoot Pops.
Alright.
Let's get all the cars and stuff. Pop's artistic with it. You got a steady hand. First look, my first time seeing it in person. Whew. The white one's mine. The white one's mine. I can't believe I got that car. And this one's mine too. Let's go look at the black one. You drove the other Cappuccino, Pops, remember?
Yeah.
Ooh. And this one's mine. It's green and it's way cleaner in person than I anticipated. Wow. It's got the dash cover. Can't tell if you can see the green, but it's like really green. My second Cappuccino. First one went to Grayson. He'll be featured in some videos later on too.
Delivery order.
I am?
You got 3 cars total, right?
No, just 2. Just true. First start. Lancer, before let's put this in it. Here you gotta get in the racing seat. Momo steering wheel. Oh, does that glove box close? Look at all these boost controllers and stuff. Let's see if it closes. Yes. Alright, there we go. It's right here, Pops. Right there. Does the seat adjust?
Yeah.
Nothing? Let's pop the hood. Well, that was a huge pain in the butt, huh, Pops?
Not really. Got it done in one day.
Now it's time for the cappuccino.
Yeah, it's running.
It's running. I'm gonna get in that AC. I'm gonna bring it over here, Pops.
Alright.
Ew. 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 Almost bought, hey Pops, I almost bought that white car over here. Look, the Celica. Huh? We're getting something for the channel. Ooh. Chaser 1, Chaser 2. Oh! There's my Evo. Oh, yes. Yes. All of these. I almost bought that one too. I'm coming. Oh, he Russian. We're American, not Russian, Pops.
See you at the front gate.
No, I'm coming. I'm coming. Give me 2 seconds.
All right.
Woo! Woo! I'm coming. And that's me. Well, wish me luck. .6'6" guy driving a freaking Suzuki Cappuccino. How does that work, right? This guy back there. I'm sitting like AC full blast right now in traffic. Even though I'm too tall for the car, I'm still like hella comfortable. It's nice.
What's different about the other one?
Huh?
What's different?
You ready to race?
Maroon truck?
Yeah, here's the maroon truck. Look at this. This car weighs 700 kilograms. Yeah, hit the gas, Pops. We got the targets out. Pop's getting to work and battery died on us. Whew. Had to get a new one. Finally got it back home. On the way back from the port of Jacksonville, the alternator went out. So I had to get the alternator rebuilt, or else she'd be in Mobile where she broke down the whole time. Shout out New Century Auto and Tire. They got everything hooked up. Worked with the local alternator starter rebuild shop. First impressions is a pretty clean car compared to other cars I've gotten from Japan. Besides little things like rusty trim pieces, a little bit of roof fade. It's actually really, really nice. Besides that, well, yeah. Excited to get this thing looking even better. We're also going to take this to Taylor Dragon, the Evo. We're going to take a couple of shots of it as well. Let's see if I get some pics of the back. Got it kind of close to surface. Really nice interior for 1993, I think it is. Can't really complain at all. A little dash cover, I'm not sure what's underneath that. Start right up. Check engine light right there is because the e-brake's on. Take off the e-brake, that goes off. I want to roll into the driveway. I need both hands for that. That's because the seatbelt's not on. Working radio, leather seats. It goes into Targa with the top. It's a hardtop convertible, so you can remove everything. I think it's a lot of looks. By the way, it's stock sound. It sounds like factory, it's factory exhaust. Let's see if I can get a sound clip for you. That's the first look at the Cappuccino. We'll crack the bonnet open tomorrow. We got more sunlight. Yeah, more to come. Yeah, so this is the Evo 4. Got this imported, picked it up about the same time. Hold on. This is her good side here, so let's get the side first. Get her good side, and I'll go straight to show you the bad side. Got a really good deal on her. I think she's blown head gasket. Looked like they had coolant mixed in with the water. Also looks like the previous owner cracked the lip somehow. Also, I didn't see this in the pictures, the photos in Japan. Sometimes it's worth it to pay for the $100 for the guy to go look at it. Didn't bring down the key for it. Can't really start it. Has a really clean interior. Maybe we could start it, but I don't want it to overheat. Pretty original, has a cage. Pods, racing seat, Momo steering wheel. Yeah, one more of a good side. Oh, that's a daily. Audi S3. The girl has an A3. We like our turbo 4-cylinder all-wheel drive cars over here, if you can't tell.